So we're going to demonstrate a single arm cable lat raise, which the coaching cues are very similar to dumbbell lat raise or a cuffed lat raise as we saw on the benches. But in this case, we're just going to use one arm. So you're going to make sure that the cables are set up with a pin around about your shin height. So as Ali stands up, as you can see, just nice and comfortable there for him. And again, the cuff is just going to be past his wrist, but if you want it and you find it more comfortable to have it a bit higher, then of course you can do that. From here, as you can see, he's holding on to the bar just to allow for him to tip a bit further out, so you can again push his arm away from the body rather than think about lifting it up. As he comes all the way down, as you can see, his arm isn't going to cross over from the body. We're going to keep that tennis ball distance between the body and the arm just to make sure that we keep tension through the medial delt. And as he comes up, we want to make sure that he's not using his traps or his upper back to shrug the weight up the way. We're always going to contract through that medial delt. And this is your single arm cuffed lat raise.